ko sa iyo magpinsan pareho yung aming asawa.
So magpinsan na rin kami din.
Magpinsan
Pareha
kami.
kami ng apelyido na.
Hi, everything, everybody, everything.
Happy birthday to you.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning.
Morning, guys.
Morning everything. So ngayon guys, mamaya na tayo maligo. Nag-ano lang kami. Naglilinis ng broccoli rag kasi wala tayong chinilas dito eh. Ay, kasi may bisita tayo mamaya. Say hi Roxy. Come mama kisses eh. Mama kisses. Come here kisses. Come here. Kisses to mama. Kisses. I love you. Plus paliguan ko sila mamaya. He's cleaning garlic, guys.
There's better a bunch in the pot.
Huh?
I already put a bunch in the pot.
You did? How many garlic you doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. I think that's enough. Hey boy. Okay, I'm continue here guys before I clean the house. Tapos na guys, yung yun. And next, ang gagawin ko is okra, this, and bok choy, and horseradish leaves, malunggay. So yun lang yung anuhin ko, sabaw konti with yung isda. So yun. Look, siya yung taga-punas sa mga hinugasan ko, look. Okay, look. Nahihiya si Mister. Yeah. Okay, show time. One show. It's time to brush Roxy. Look at her face. Look at Roxy's face. It's time to brush you, baby. Brushy.
Brush yourself.
Brushy. Hello guys. Katatapos ko lang nagpaligo sa mga junag kids ko. So ngayon, magtapos na akong naglinis. Ngayon, itong couch, kunin ko lang yung mga gamit doon ng mga ni Tami, cover. Ito na guys, first harvest natin ng bok choy. Yun na yun. Nilinis ko lang siya, guys. Individually. Yun. Yun na siya. Bagong harvest. What are you doing? Covering your body. You're so cute when you do that, oy. Honey, you're like a baby to me. Like that? What? What are you looking? Yes, we do. And then, ito din. Gulay na, guys. Itong gulay na next. Look. Ano lang ito, guys. Simpleng, ano. So, guys. Ilagay na natin si Galay. Itong si Bok Choy. Yun. Ilagay natin si Bok Choy. It's already almost 1 o'clock. So, is Andy's going to call here, honey? Andy's going to call?
I would think.
Gusto ko tong bok choy na to, itong klase kasi hindi siya mataba na bok choy. Ayoko yung tabang-taba na bok choy, yung parang sobrang laki ng ano, puti niya, yung stem. Ayoko niyan. Ito na, nalagay na natin si malunggay. And ang gagawin natin is i-mix na lang natin siya dyan. Hi guys! Yun guys, finally nakaligo na tayo at nakaligo na tayo. Since na sa buhok natin na. Wala akong pakialam sa bahay lang kasi. Tinabunan ko lang itong dito para sa uluhan lock. Yun. Yun tayo. May cover pa rin. Oh, and they said the chocolate they're bringing is from something. It's like from no, from Claire's daughter. She brought something. Don't worry about it. Because you talked to him about chocolate. Oh, dessert.
Because I was going to get something for dessert. I asked him what Claire likes. And I figured chocolate because in the Philippines. And everybody from the Philippines likes chocolate. Even though my wife says no, that's not true.
Ah, no, I don't like.
I know it.
I don't like chocolate.
You do.
Not all the time, hon.
Nobody wants it all. Man.
Inimbita ko si Luigi at saka si Mark. Hindi sana kami mag-ano. Yung pinsan ni Tami, takot yun sa COVID. Kasi ang sabi niya, kapag magka-COVID siya, patay daw talaga din. Siya katulad siya kay Tami kasi ano siya, may parang sakit. Parang takot, parang may something, basta may malaking mga problema, mga ano nila, mga mga health nila, katulad kay Tami. So kaya sabi pa niya, takot siya mag-gathering. Pero sabi ko, sinabihan namin siya na, sabi namin na, yung kaibigan ko hindi palalabas, kasi nandun sa bahay lang. So, okay lang naman siya. At sika, gusto ko rin makasama gusto ko rin andito sila para makilala, kasi Pinay din yung asawa. So, ang naisip ko, si Luigi at saka si Mark, kasi si Luigi, hindi siya para, hindi siya umaalis-alis ba kahit saan. So yun, nasa bahay lang siya. May music doon sa labas, kaya hindi ako makapag-vlog. Hinaan natin yan mamaya kasi, makapiright tayo. So, yun lang. So, yung pinsan ni Tami at saka yung asawa na Pinay, nakilala nyo na yun, si Ate Claire. And also, yun, si Luigi at saka si Mark, yun lang.
Because he would always say, oh, you always mention Sige. Why are you talking to Sige? Every time you speak, you talk to your...
Really, anybody named Ziggy, it means okay. And I said, yeah, I know.
Shout out mo,
I'm just
yung
being a
pangalan.
miserable person.
Sino?
Yung pangalan ng pinsan mo.
fun somehow.
Yeah.
Becca!
Tinawag niya, Vika!
Hi Becca! Makikita mo kami, follower ka ni MaryAnn.
Shout out mo, okay. Taga-asan siya, te?
Cavite.
Taga nas Pilipinas siya?
Oo.
Nasa Pilipinas pala si Vika.
Becca Madeja Velasquez.
Anyway, so, hi Vika.
Hi Becca!
So, taga-asan, kumusta yung COVID doon? Yung
Balik
COVID.
na naman.
Nabalik.
Lali na naman. Mas maano pa ang Pilipinas.
Okay, shout out kay Vika. Ito yun po si Ate Claire.
Hi, Becca!
Nakabisita po dito.
Ito kami kay MaryAnn. Nasabi ko sa iyo magpinsan pareho yung aming asawa.
Mga asawa. So, magpinsan na rin kami.
Magpinsan
Pareha kami
kami.
ng apelyido na.
Apelyido, oo. Ano ang ano mo sa vlog mo?
This is how my husband is. He always talk. He doesn't like our food, guys. It's dried fish, guys. And also, he keeps saying Filipino are short.
One time, Claire's daughter.
Wait. Alexa, play Short People.
Stupid.
Alexa, louder.
Oh my God, there is a song. Short people?
Yep.
Is that dedicated to Filipinos?
Alexa, louder.
No reason to live? This one, the T-bone.
You want that one?
Yeah.
You don't want this one?
Give the one for to Mark. Mine.
Mark likes his well done too.
Yeah.
So everybody's really well done except for me and Andy. Andy likes his
And
meat.
Claire too. Oh,
No, Claire's well done.
no, who is this? Look, Andy. Ate Claire is enjoying this.
Yeah.
You know, she could have this. I could put it in the basement for her.
Why is it in the basement?
You could just stay down there.
Stay down there at night.
No, nothing else. It's cool in the basement.
Oh my God. Honestly, it's really one steak. It's good for me and Lloydie.
Well, and the
Say
salt
hi-
is what
say
gives
hi.
everything flavor, so
Say hi to
this
everyone.
has salt content, but nowhere near that kind of salt.
Hi, everyone. Whoever, wherever,
Everything.
however,
This-
whenever.
See everything. Hi, everything.
Hi, everything, everybody, everything, all the people.
Andy. Look.
I'm Andy the Great.
Andy the Great. Guys, magkapit bahay lang pala ito sa Pinas, guys. Hindi na natin sabihin kung saan, pero magkapit bahay talaga. Nagluluto lang ako, guys, ng ano. Ito siya. Iwan ko kung anong pangalan nito, basta kay potato. Yun. And then, ininit ko lang ito siyang sabaw para meron tayong shebang. Shebang. And then ito. Lutuin ko lang ito mamaya. Dishwashing. And everybody's eating. Tapos na kami, guys. Dito kami ngayon, guys, sa ano, Shoprite. Bibili lang kami ng ano, cake. Kasi birthday pala ni Ate Claire. Doon tayo, be. Bili tayo ng cake. Sinama ko lang si Lloydie kasi wala akong kasama. Ang dami ng ano nilagay sa doon na yung cake, be. Anong cake nila is ano ba yun? Yung cake nila is carving. Pero doon ata mag-ano, yung pasulat. Sana. Wala namang tao dito, be. Pero dito yung cake nila, be. Frozen, be. Dito, So, alin yung maganda, be? Wag nang malaki. Mga ganito, di ba? Ito na lang. Kasi masulatan ba? Maghanap tayo ng candle, di ba? Wala kasi kaming candle.
Ang dami ko sana sa bahay.
Dito, be, hintay tayo, be. Magtawag kasi sila.
Ang tatawag.
Okay, thank you. I want to make a woman. Right. Dito tayo, guys.
Ang daming ganyan.
Itatapon lang, be, di ba? Hawakan mo lang yan. It's not time to make a baby.
It's not time to make a baby.
So, it's not time to make a baby. You ready?
Yep. Sabi niya sa akin. Sabi ko, why are you saying that? Because it's not time to make a baby.
Look, ang cute ni Lady. Hala, nag-milk na.
Okay.
Mag-decide.
Tignan mo pa kamay pumunta dito.
Dito kami, guys. Huwag na natin ibalik dito, di ba?
Hindi, alis na sa mga.
Lahat ito, be?
Oo.
Okay na?
Baka magkamali pa.
si Luigi. Ang bilis ni Luigi makaano guys. Ah. Okay na.
Yep.
Okay na, dali natin. Nag-melt na ba yan, Yabi? Ta, let's go.
Samay-samay.
Gunitan mo ha kasi nandun sila Roxy. Ha. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Got to light all the candles.
Happy birthday to you. Okay.
You should just use that cake.
Sige na.
Oh, we got both. Blow out the candles.
There, you can take them off.
Happy birthday, te.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Make a wish.
Hey.
I always said, honey, you were full of hot air.
Okay, let's Han. Can you do that later, Han?
I'll try to make some room here, because you got to bring the other two cakes up.
Oh,
Yung
yeah.
ano na lang, Ben?
Oh, okay. I didn't realize.
Truvia, stevia, equal, and sweet love.
Give me the sweet and low.
Yun yung birthday girl.
Ang laki-laki naman ng... What? As if you order it from Amazon. This week, ano?
Ate Claire, you want coffee?
Okay, I put
No.
some coffee cream.
I thought you like coffee.
I like coffee, but
Wait.
Want tea?
No, just water.
I guess just you and Andy, Han.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nobody else?
Mark doesn't like coffee.
No, no problem.
Coconut cream pie?
I've got one.
How many sweet
Wait,
loaves?
that's okay.
How many sweet loaves?
Nag-harvest lang kami ni Ate Claire ng ano guys, gulay.
Mas kinabali ay namunga pa rin. Yung akin na bali na ganyan, inalis ko na.
Ay, wag mo ng ano. Ako lang, dito lang ito.
Ito, tingnan mo, nabali, namunga pa. Ako pag nabali, inalis ko na.
Inalis ko nga yung isa eh.
Diretso lang hanggang ulan. Diretso sa lupa. Saan ninyo inilalagay yan? Basement, flat. Sa loob ng bahay, hindi sa basement? Sa inyong bahay talaga? Oh!
Hindi, first time ko pa man kasi ito.
First time pala. Okay.
Ito, mabuhay na ito.
Oo, good. Tama na yan. May ugat.
Kailangan tubigan mo.
Maraming tubig.
Yan, lemon at saka lemongrass.
at
Sana mabuhay ha.
tanlad. Mabubuhay yan.
Yun, ang laki ng ano guys, zucchini. Lumalaki talaga siya, no?
Tama na ibaba. Ito pala ay dito.
Guys, kami na lang ni Ate Claire dito natira. I mean, nandun yung mga asawa namin, pero si Lloyd di umalis. Pero look. si Ate Claire. Yung Ate Claire. Ate Claire.
Yan.
Alis na sila. Don't let the dog out, Han.
I got.
Oh, see?
Now you have to pee?
Yeah.
Oh my God. You know what? Is that ours too?
Yeah, I'll help. I'll bring it. I'll help. No, I'll help. Oh, there you go. Oh, you have up over there. I think Ate Claire, umihi pa daw siya. Umiihi si Ate Claire. Yan na, inuusig na sa Ate Claire, patay. Takot pa naman to sa aso. Don't let them out. Yeah. Tapos na.
Tapos na.
Umihi na.
Nakaihi na kahit ako.
Ang sexy, oh. Tignan niyo guys, ang puwet. Ah, sexy ah. Para mang 12 years old yung puwit. Eh.
Yes!
Parang 12 years old guys oh.
Gurang na.
Eh, gurang ka dyan. Bantay ka. Ako nag-cake, be. Maano yan? Masira yan.
Oh, okay. Guys, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Tama na.
Isa, tama na nga. Isa yung man ito.
Oh,
Claire,
okay.
come back.
We will. But dito,
Thank you for
Lloydie
coming.
and
thank you
MaryAnn
for
are
having us.
coming
Yeah, I'm coming.
You're coming where?
To their house.
Yonkers.
Andy is going to hide.
Excited. Whatever.
Okay.
And you know,
I put this on the back too. Or we can put this here.
Okay, thank you.
there's only a $10 entrance fee to the house.
To the house.
Really?
Of course, there's a.
Really?
Of course, that's
Really daw.
Really?
that's to get in.
To get to know
$50
me.
fee to get out.
No, we're
Yeah,
just gonna...
yes,
and-
exit fee.
And if you should want to use the bathroom,
Another $10.
He's
Oh,
got
that's
pay, he's got pay
expensive.
toilets.
$1 per
Per-
toilet paper.
Oh shit, no.
Oh, if you have to shit, that's even extra money.
You have to use a lot of paper towels. So, you have to count.
Guys,
Sige.
everything was great.
Drive careful ha. Thanks for the steak. The steak is so good.
Call me when you get home.
You got your phone? You got your pocketbook?
Yes, I got.
You sure?
It's only my phone.
If you have any problems, we call me. Basically, it's me straight down.
You have GPS in your car, right?
What's that?
You have GPS in your car?
Yeah. That's
Ay,
it.
nakalimutan ko. Nakalimutan ko.
But
Okay, hopefully we will not get lost, ha?
I don't
if
think.
you anything, just give me a shout.
All right. Take care. Thank
Okay,
you.
bye-bye.
Careful.
Okay, we're gonna... Do you have the car key?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna put this car in. Bye-bye.
Sorry, I don't have my copy.
Iniwan na kami ng 4. Ipapark ko lang yung sasakyan ko guys kasi andun oh. Hello guys. So ngayon guys, linis-linis. Naglinis na si Tommy guys, which is really good of him. Naglilinis na siya dito sa bahay. Nalinis na lahat-lahat. So ngayon, iano ko na lang sila ilagay sa refrigerator. Yung mga yan. Buti na lang yung ice cream cake na binili namin. Ano siya? May lugar pa namin sa sa freezer sa baba. Look, tignan niyo tong refrigerator. Ang puno. Oh my god. Ito ulutuin ko ito ulit kasi hindi masarap. Hindi ko kasi masyadong inanuhan. Isa lang yung at saka yung coconut na nilagay ko, yung coconut can. Ano siya, low fat. I mean hindi siya pure yung gata. So yun kaya na ano siya naging blah. And then konti lang din yung salt na nilagay ko yung yung jackfruit. You done?
Yeah.
So it's already 9 o'clock.
My wife forgot to shut her eye.
I did. I forgot to shut the garage. So now binalik ko lang yung mga cover. Kasi alam nyo naman. Alam nyo naman. And then, I still have to make a thumbnail, guys, for video tomorrow. My baby is so good. My husband is so good. My goodness. Where you can find a husband that clean the whole thing. I don't even wash anything. He just did it. It's my baby. I'm so proud of him to look at him. Say hi. We're gonna end the vlog.
Go back.
He's back?
Yep.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Hey guys.
Thank you guys so much for
Thanks
watching.
for watching.
Bye. Good night na. Night.
Hey guys. Did you ever take care of that thing with the
Nah, I'll do it tonight, hon. Okay, bye guys.
Goodbye.